Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Delancy. I'm a realtor in Jacksonville, Florida. Welcome to my channel, where you'll find weekly videos on the Jacksonville real estate market, the buying and selling process, my thoughts and reviews on different areas and neighborhoods, and I also share some of my favorite spots and things to do. I've lived in Jacksonville for over 30 years and I've worked as a realtor here for 17 years. So I bring an expert level of knowledge of the Northeast Florida area and the local market. I work mostly with clients who have bought a home before or currently own a home, but are ready to transition to their next home. Whether you're a longtime resident like me or thinking about relocating to the Northeast Florida region, I'm here to help you upgrade your home and your lifestyle. I also have years of experience in new construction home sales and specialize in representing buyers who want to build their dream home. I want to use the insights I learned working in the industry to help you have a better experience. What I love most about real estate is all the different people I get to meet and work with. In my 17 years of experience in this industry, the one thing I've learned is it's all about building those relationships that will last well beyond the transaction. I want you to see me as a lifelong resource and even a friend. When I'm working with clients, the most important thing to me is having open and honest communication throughout the process. I want to get to know what's going to be most important to you, and then use my experience and knowledge to help you reach your goals. I'm a great problem solver, and I love finding the best solutions for your unique situation. I think the people I work with appreciate my straightforward approach and my authenticity. What you see is what you get. I'm very detail oriented, and I'm going to give you as much information as I can to help you make the best decisions. But I'm also going to be upfront with you, even if it's not what you want to hear. Ultimately, I want you to have an amazing buying or selling experience that you'll gladly share with friends, family, and colleagues. If you're planning to buy or sell in the Northeast Florida area, let's connect and make your real estate dreams a reality. Thank you.